If you want that bright, spotless, glowing face, these soaps are your best bet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not make it your last. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. You're simply going to love it on here. Guys, today I'll be showing you 5 best lightening soaps that will help you achieve that bright, glowy, youthful skin. So if you've been dealing with dark spots, dull skin, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or you just want to have your face looking so much bright and glowy, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe, because all the face soaps I'll be showing you will give you that radiant, youthful skin that you dream of. And you know the best part? These face soaps are super easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. So let's dive right into it. Now, in no particular order, the first effective lightening face soap that I have for you guys is this Fit Gold Transparent Soap. See, if you want that one face soap that does it all, then this right here might be what you need. It lightens, it brightens, it tones, and more. Guys, this particular soap is formulated with ingredients like kojic acid, carrots, and these are effective skin lightening ingredients that will not just lighten up your face, but give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. This is one face soap that is going to help target your dark spots, your dull looking skin, brighten it up, and lighten up your skin when you use it consistently. That's not all though. This face soap right here also helps to target your uneven skin tone and any form of blemishes you might have on your face. Guys, if you want to clear out any form of pigmentation, blemishes, uneven skin tone, just try using this Fit Gold face soap. Like, it's going to give you that smooth, beautiful, plump, healthy looking skin. Your skin is going to look so much brighter, beautiful, and glowing. This is one soap that I have different clients using. In fact, one of my Abuja based clients ordered this particular face soap, and guys, within 2 good weeks of consistently using the soap, her face that was darker than her body became visibly bright and fairer. Even one of my Germany-based clients who had horrible spots on her face got her spots cleared out just before the first bar soap could finish. So this is an amazing face soap that is going to deal with your pigmentation and give you a bright, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. So if you want that youthful, glowing skin, just cop this face soap and add in your skincare routine. It's an affordable face soap that will lighten and glow your face. Now, the next or second face soap I have for you guys, if you want to lighten and brighten up your complexion, is this K Brothers Papaya Soap. Guys, this is one soap that I personally have been using, and I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. This is actually how far I have gone with this face soap. And I'm going to tell you one thing for a fact. This face soap is going to take your skin from a 0 to 100 real quick. Your face is going to look so much brighter, beautiful, radiant, and glowing when incorporated into your skincare routine. Guys, it's an effective brightening soap that will give you a beautiful glow when you consistently use it. Like, this is not a face soap that will strip your skin or make your skin feel dry after using it to wash your face. I love the fact that it's able to balance your skin's pH while cleansing your skin, and it actually lathers very well, and it has a nice fragrance. And you can also get the carrot one if you're not a fan of papaya. This papaya one right here works amazingly well for me. It's actually one face soap I recommend for anyone that wants a bright, healthy looking skin. Guys, the next or third soap I'll be recommending for you guys if you want a beautiful, radiant face is this Rectin A soap. Guys, this is one face soap that I personally have used. This is not a lightening soap, but it has the tendency of getting rid of your acne and giving you a brighter, smoother, youthful, radiant, glowing skin. Take it from me, I had terrible pimples and acne breakouts, and you can already see how beautiful and glowing and spotless my face looks. And that is because I was using the Rectin A soap that came to my rescue. This is one bar soap that is going to tackle your acne, your pimples, your dark spots, and give you a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin when used properly. This is not an everyday soap. This is a soap that you ought to use 3 or 2 times in a week in your skincare routine, and preferably I would advise you use it at night. In fact, I have a full review video on this Rectin A soap and how you can properly use it, so you can check out that particular video once you're done watching this. I'm actually plugging you guys to this soap in case you're battling with pimples, dark spots, or acne breakouts on your face, because most times the reason why our face is not glowing or looking beautiful is because we are not getting rid of the acne or breakouts on our face. So for you to tackle that, you need a face soap like this. Maybe you can pair it with the K Brothers soap. You can use this as your everyday soap, and then you can use this one 2 or 3 times weekly to do with your breakouts and dark spots, while this would help to lighten or brighten up your skin and also fade your dark spots. So this is an awesome face soap that will lighten and give you a beautiful, radiant skin. Now, the next or fourth soap I have for you guys is the Alpha 3 Arbutin Collagen Soap. When you see me talk about lightening and anti-aging, this is one face soap you need in your routine. Guys, this is one face soap that is going to help lighten up your face, clear out your pigmentation, and give you a youthful, glowing skin. If you're someone in your 30s, your 40s, your 50s, and you still want to maintain a youthful, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, then add this Alpha 3 Arbutin Collagen Soap in your skincare routine. This face soap is formulated with ingredients such as collagen, arbutin, that would help to not just lighten your face, but also give you a youthful, radiant glow. So if you want a spotless, smooth, beautiful, fresh looking skin, get this particular soap and use in your skincare routine. Like, this is a very nice and affordable face soap that will give you a beautiful, radiant glow on your skin. It's going to brighten up your complexion and make your face look so much smooth, bright, radiant, and glowing. So if you want that smooth, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, just get this particular face soap. You're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, the next or fifth soap I have for you guys is the almighty Asante Papaya and Honey Soap. And this is the soap right here. Guys, this is an excellent face and body soap that will also help to brighten up your skin. And I really love this particular face soap because it's not a soap that will strip your skin. It's a soap that will help to lighten up your skin, exfoliate your skin, and give you a beautiful, radiant glow on your skin. Like, sometimes I personally use this as my face soap. Even I have a video where I was using this or showing you guys how you can use it as a face soap. So you can check out that particular video. I'm going to also link that up here. Guys, this Asante Papaya soap is an excellent soap, and I love the ingredients in it. It's going to actually help lighten and glow your face. If you can't get this Asante Papaya soap, you can simply get the Asante Carrots with Honey soap. And this is the carrot version. So the Asante Carrot and Honey soap also serves the same function as your Asante Papaya soap, and is also going to help lighten up your skin tone and give you a smooth, bright, glowing face. Guys, if you want a spotless glow, if you want your face to be shining and looking bright and radiant, then get the Asante Carrot and Honey soap. Like, these are affordable face soaps that will lighten up your face and give you a much lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, the bonus face soap I have is this Koji San soap. Guys, if you're dealing with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, or maybe your face is actually darker than your body and you're looking to complement and have the same skin tone as your face on your body, then get this Koji San soap. This is another excellent lightening face soap that will lighten up your face, clear out your dark spots, and give you a uniform glowing skin. If you're able to get the original of this Koji San soap, you're definitely going to love the results on your skin. It's a face soap that will give you that excellent, smooth, bright, healthy looking skin. So if you want a bright, healthy complexion, just lay your hands on this Kojisan soap and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Now, if you have chosen the right face soap for your skin, the next step you want to take is to know the right way to use it, because most of you just wash your face and you think that is it. For you to be able to get the best or maximum result with your lightening face soaps, you need to give them time to sit and absorbing properly into your skin and get the job done. All you need to do is to pour water on your face first, then lather your face soap, massage it properly into your face. Take your time and massage it into your face. You can even on your timer give yourself 60 seconds and apply your face soap all over your face properly. Then give it another 60 seconds to 1 minute and rinse it off. That way you will be getting the best result with your face soap, other than someone that will just use it to wash their face and rinse it off immediately. The ingredients will have enough time to penetrate into your skin and get the job done. So to get the maximum result from your lightening face soaps, use them both morning and night, and you're going to love the effect on your skin. These face soaps will give you that visible, lighter, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Within 2 to 3 weeks of consistently using them and pairing them up in a good face routine, you're going to see the wonders. So try out those face soaps and let me know which one works best for your skin in the comment section. And if you have used any of these face soaps, also let me know how it worked for you right in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Do well to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.